Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to use Oculus Quill for 2D animation. It's definitely not the perfect solution for everything, but I find it's very fast way to create animations when you know that camera doesn't have to move much, and it's like in 3D. You don't have to design all the details in 3D, just what camera sees. Anyway, I'm coming up with a character design as I go. Design that is looking like, one of those vector graphic flat animations. Usually in Quill you would design everything like in 3D, but I decided just to paint as if it's a 2D canvas. Here I'm trying to find a pose. Darker shades for the body parts in the back. So the concept I figured would be just a dude on a skateboard checking his phone while holding another board. Don't ask me why. Some wheels. So just a blobs of paint, and here I'm just trying to design like a skull. By the way, if anyone of you have a question, I haven't talked about it, let me know. I realized that I skip a lot of technical stuff so that I could show this concept. It's pretty cool. I actually designed a couple things in 3D in mind in a way. A phone, and later you'll see like the sneakers. It's just for the placement purposes. Because I figured like this kind of stuff is like I guess perspective. I don't know what is. I think perspective, yeah, easy to place in space and stuff, which is still super fast. This design is totally flat. There's nothing behind it. Look, check this out. So now I'm creating a separate layer, and I think it's 12 frames per second. And I'm just drawing over the frames while they play. So that's what creates this animation. Well, ideally you would separate layers you're gonna animate, but this just was a real quick concept just to try out how it works, and it really works very good. Trying to animate his hand and the head, looking at his phone. Now at this point it looks like he's like working out. It's like a dumbbell, not a phone. I can just easily replace it with a dumbbell, I guess. Yeah, so I think the whole animation loop was around 36 frames. I'm using this grab tool, trying to animate over time. This grab tool is pretty cool. Sometimes I find it like a not so easy to control when you animate stuff like over time. I think at this point I just made like some sort of like a board real quick. Something that I have a trouble with is how to smoothly loop the animations, because if you use a grab tool and you move it over time, the last and the first frame don't go smooth together because it's not the same place anymore. I don't know. So that's why at the end of the loop you'll see like a small bump, because where it started and where it ended, it's not always like the same place, not the same smooth transition. Yeah, here's the funny thing. As I was recording it using Oculus Mirror, and for some reason, like in my goggles, I see that in the middle when I'm animating, when I'm using VR, but it records like as if I'm looking like more up. I don't know. I have to adjust my goggles, or something. But I don't know. Weird. So yeah, just like wheels, short animation loops for like a wind or something. I don't know. Here I'm trying out some sort of effects, like either wind blows, or like sparks. I don't know, it's just so fun like to animate stuff like over time. maybe in the future I can show effects animation. I'm also planning to make some animation tutorials using Quill, so yeah, stay tuned. Now I'm just painting the ground, copying, duplicating, yeah, and it looks cool. Thanks for watching, bye.